Hello, welcome guys. My name is Pongani Velman. Many people knows me by Velman the Marketer. You know guys, I'm doing networking for living. I do recruiting. So when I started knew about this business, it was in 2017. It was in 2017, first time I knew about networking and I started participating here. It's after I was removed. I was working at one municipality there in the Free State due to some politics and what, then I was removed. Then I had to get something. I had to come with something because immediately you moved from student life, right, to a working life. You know, you started working, then the job was gone, then I had to come with something because everything has moved. You have moved from location, you have moved from student environment to class environment. So I had to come with something. Then I started joining networking. But yeah, I can tell you from 2017, I think I've joined more than 50 companies. You join this one, you move this side, you join this one, you move this side. Then early this year, as we all know that the Oro1 landed here in Africa on the 10th of April. After that, okay, we did not know about the business immediately. Then again, around 25, 26, I joined the business. After joining the business, I took something like a week without getting people because here it lies on duplication. You must do recruiting if you want to make it in this business. Then I joined Oro1 and I started posting, I started sending the message. It was difficult, it was not simple because remember, I had team. I've been recruiting people say, no, my leader, you are here again. My leader, our man is gone because of this thing. Says, no guys, let's just give it a try. Then I joined. I made the man. First payment, it was something like 100 euros. So when you speak about 100 euros, it was 45 euros. Just imagine I got paid, but I was not able to withdraw the man. Then I was like, guys, I got paid, but I was not able to withdraw the man. But I keep on pushing. You know, what speaks is how you push. The more you push, the more you start making money. Then the first time I got the first K, that's when my life started changing. I was staying in location. Is some guy who was staying there, living in extra house with something like implement. We were staying there. At the same time, we were also watching out after this house. But it was not easy. It was not easy. Then when I got another payment, I moved to town. So now that's where things started to happen. And on the 18th, for the first time in my life, I managed to do a serious celebration for my child. She was turning 5 years old. So I did something. Things are starting to come better. You can see even the shape starting to gain everything. So guys, initially what is happening here, things are starting to change. Life is changing and this business is doing so well. It's doing so well to a point that in a short period of time I have accumulated. Very soon I will be putting something. Very soon I will be putting something. Of course, all these things that are happening for a team, it's not about me, it's about the team. You can't make it alone. The compensation plan of this thing is so nice, it's doing so well, guys. I've never seen the compensation plan like this one in the business. In my entire life in networking, I've never seen a compensation plan which pays like this. In Oro1, you get paid 3 times in every level. So guys, you must just keep on coming, keep on doing it. We've seen many leaders achieving. They're achieving so much. And the other thing is that the management here is so transparent. They are transparent, they are also visible. They are there with us in all group chats. You add them, you do whatever you do, they are there. So this thing is not going anywhere. Even if you can check the company profile or the profile of the CEO. Because you know, if someone introduced something, then the very same person who came with something, his history is questionable. It means you're also not safe. But if you check history of Max Lawrence, you can see that this man is being on the industry, this man is there. And it's not only on networking. He does many businesses. All of those businesses, they are there, they are stable. So guys, you must just keep on coming in the mass to join this business. Remember, this business is also deals in mineral resources. We deal with silver, gold, platinum and palladium. So actually, if you want to own a gold, or if you want to participate in this thing, you can come. There are many people who do business via these things, but some of them, they don't believe in networking. You are still welcome. You can partner with Eurowani, then deals on purchasing a gold or whatever you want to buy. Even if you are not a member, you can still buy it for that. This thing, it's a MLM. It's an investment company based on MLM, product based. We're not an investment business whereby you can just come put money. After putting money, you then wait, sit back, and you come get the money. No, here we work. That's what we do in this business, guys. So I think this year I'm just gonna end it here. We're also having our incentives. If you're a person who believes in tourism, you like traveling the world, to going overseas, going anywhere, you can still partner. You're also welcome, because we have an incentives called traveling incentives, whereby you go out, and the good thing with this business, you go with your partner. If you qualify for this thing, you will go wherever you want to go. The company will take you. They can be something like a week. They will pay everything, traveling and everything. You will tour. Again, if you're a person who likes cars and many things, you can also come. This company also caters those things. We have what do we call a car incentives. You can get those cars and everything. We're also having the other one, Apple incentives, cell phone incentives. You see, I'm holding this one. I'm just checking, I'm preparing myself. You know, this thing is so complicated, so I'm preparing myself so that when I qualify for these telephone incentives, which is Apple, of course, I'm using a Hawaii now, so I must familiarize myself with Apple. There are many things, guys. So the business is so simple. We've seen many people here in the country. The business is only 4 months, but many people has accumulated so much. We have a BM, we have a Kia, we have Land Rover, there's such many things. People have started changing. People are feeling comfortable now. With other people that are just buying with cookies, they finish what. People are feeling, you feel massage. They are buying serious finisher, guys. So let us keep on spreading the message. Let's join the business. This is an online business. We've seen that the regeneration we're on the 4th industrial revolution. Everything is moving digital. So if you still believe on you going there, type a civil do what, you are lost. We have changed the system. Everything is moving digital. So guys, let us carry on and run with the business. Eurowani is here to stay. Eurowani is not going anywhere. Eurowani is the only solution to our problem. Eurowani is here to take us straight to our financial freedom.